Hi YouTube, welcome to the part 6 of the Python network ARP scanner series. This is the last part, and in this part we will see how to create a loop, a while loop that will run this script, let's say every 60 seconds. You can change it to 35 seconds or however many seconds you want it to run. So we will see how to create a script that will run every 60 seconds. It will scan the network, it will send the ARP request, it will print out the list of all the IP addresses that it was able to find on the network, and it will continuously run this every however many seconds you want it. So let's get started. Now for this, the first thing we have to do, let's import the libraries or the modules that you're going to need. So for this, we are going to need we are going to need the time module. So we are going to have to type in time module. And the second thing that we are going to need is the OS module. So in here, okay, so this is what you have to do here. Now this part, we know that it runs the scan. So let's put it in a while loop. So we want a while loop to continuously run. So we have to use the while true here. So what does it mean, while true here? It means that just keep running the tool indefinitely. Now, the problem here is that if it keeps running, it will clutter the screen. So what do we want? We want the screen to be refreshed every time we run this ARP scan. So every however many seconds, let's say every 60 seconds, when this network ARP scanning is done, the net screen should be refreshed. We don't want it to clutter the screen, and so for this we have to use the OS module, that we just imported. So we have to run the command. Now we have to run this script. We can run it on network, on a Windows computer, on a Windows system, and we can also run it on a Linux system. Now in Windows, if you want to clear the command prompt, then you have to type in the CLS command. CLS is used to clear the screen. So we can say run CLS if os.name is equal to NT. So if the operating system belongs to the NT family, which is the Windows family, then run the CLS. Otherwise, else we can say that run the clear. Now in Linux, if you want to clear the screen, then you have to type in the clear command. But for Windows, it's CLS. Next, we are printing the IP address. After that, we are scanning. Now this scan, let's say we want it to run every 30 seconds or every 60 seconds. So this is where we want to sleep. So once this is run, then how many seconds do you want the script to sleep? So if I type in 60 seconds, once this is run, the IP address is retrieved, it will sleep for 60 seconds. Then since this is true, we are using the while true here, this script will run indefinitely. Then after 60 seconds of sleep, it goes to the beginning, it will clear the screen and run the scan, show us the IP addresses, then sleep for 60 seconds, then use the CLS or clear to clear the screen, and then print the IP address, scan, and then sleep. This is how it will work. So let's just quickly, for us, we can do it, let's say maybe 10 seconds, not 5. So we can do it 10 seconds. So what it will do is, for 10 seconds, it will run it, wait for 10 seconds, then run again. So let's go to terminal here. We will type in the interface and it will ask us for the password. So once the password is done, so you can see that it's able to find these MAC addresses on the network. So it will wait for 10 seconds, it will refresh the screen, clear the screen, then run it again. So let's wait for 10 seconds. Yeah, so 10 seconds is up. It was able to find these MAC addresses. So if some computers they get disconnected, it will run it again for 10 seconds and then it will stop it. So in here we can see that this time it was able to find 2 MAC addresses. So this is how it works, guys. In order to stop it, I use Control-C. So this is it, guys. This is the this was the 6th part of this series. This is what we wanted to create. The first section, we are importing the modules. This section, we are scanning. This section is for the retrieving IP address, and this is the main part where the program gets run. So some people I think had a question of understanding this regular expression part. For this, I will create a new tutorial. Hopefully, it will come in the next few days. So this is it, guys. This is it for this one. I hope you found it informative, and if you found it useful, please consider subscribing to the channel, and also do like and share it with your friends. And again, if you have any questions, feel free to put it in the comment section below, and I will see you guys in the next one.